Today we will see the new lesson, chapter 9, Air and Water. Okay. So what are the objectives we will learn from this lesson? Yes, air, atmosphere. Yes, composition of air. Atmosphere means you should learn from this lesson the layers of the atmosphere. The next one is composition of air, and third one is properties of air. Okay. So next topic is water. Purification of drinking water. Okay. So these things we will learn from this lesson. Okay. Let's move to the lesson, children. Okay. Yes. Introduction. Air and water are natural resources. You already know very well. Okay. You learn from the lower classes. Yes. So air. We can't stay alive more than few minutes without air. Okay. So next you will see air is present everywhere around us and has no color. Okay. So you just we can't see the air. Okay. But we feel air when it moves. Okay, children. Then next we will see water. So water is needed by us not only for our daily activities, okay, but also for producing many things. Okay, children. Yes. Let's we see atmosphere. What is atmosphere? The blanket of air that surrounds the earth is called the atmosphere. Here you can see the picture. Yes, can you observe the picture? This is the surface of the earth and thick layer of air is there. Next, this thick layer, it goes gradually in thin. Okay, after that there is no air at all. So this place you call space. Okay, space, there is no air. Okay, here you can see the picture. Yes, are you clear? This is surface. The light blue color is the atmosphere. Then outer surface. This place is called space. Okay, children? Yes. This is now we will study about the layers of the atmosphere. What are the layers are there? Here you can see the first one is troposphere. Troposphere it extends extends from the surface of the earth. So it extends from 20 kilometers. Okay. So the next layer is stratosphere. It extends 35, that is 50 kilometers. Okay. It lies above the troposphere. The next one, mesosphere. Mesosphere is the middle. Okay, middle one. Then thermosphere, and the last one is exosphere. Now we will see the details about that. Okay. Now we will see the first layer, troposphere. So the layer where nearly all life exists. Okay. So this is the first layer of the atmosphere. So tropo means turning layer where air turns. Okay. Layer where Earth's weather occurs. So here only you can see the water vapor. So the clouds are forming in this layer. Okay. So we call this layer, we can observe the weather. Okay. So 3/4 of atmosphere by weight. And next thing, holds nearly all water vapor. I already told you no. Next one, approximately 5 miles high. That is 11 miles at equator. Okay, children. The next one, so here you can see the first main points. Troposphere, you can observe the weather changes. Okay, weather changes observed in this layer. All living things exist in this layer. Okay, ma'am. So the next one is stratosphere. What is stratosphere? Stratosphere, it lies above the troposphere. Okay. So the stratosphere extends from 10 to 50 kilometers above the surface of the earth. Okay. Aircraft fly in this layer. Weather balloons penetrate the stratosphere, relaying pertinent information to the scientists. Okay. So it contains the ozone layer, which scatters harmful ultraviolet radiation. That is very important. No. So the ozone layer absorbs harmful ultraviolet rays from the sun. Okay. So the next we will see the mesosphere. Meso means what? Middle. Okay. Here meteor showers happens in this layer. That is meteoroids, and asteroids. So burn up in the mesosphere due to friction. Okay. So as altitude increases, the temperature decreases to 90 degrees Celsius. Okay. The next fourth layer is thermosphere. Okay. After that, you can see exosphere. This is the exosphere is the outermost layer of the atmosphere. Okay. The temperature in the exosphere goes up with altitude. Okay. Satellites orbit Earth in the exosphere. Exosphere and the ionosphere. What is that ionosphere? So the communication on Earth depends on satellites. Okay. So satellites transmit information used for television shows, radio, broadcast, data and photos used in weather reports and long distance telephone calls. These are all importance of the atmosphere. So these things coming from your importance of atmosphere. The next we will see the atmosphere, how to protect our life. Okay. So here atmosphere. Atmosphere means all the mixture of gases. Okay. Oxygen, carbon dioxide, other dust particles. Okay. Water vapor. So these are all very important for our life. Okay. Oxygen. You already know oxygen. So oxygen is our, yes, pranavayu. Yes. Next, carbon dioxide is very important for plants. Okay, plants producing photosynthesis. You know the photosynthesis process, producing food. Okay, that process you call photosynthesis. So carbon dioxide is very important for plants and oxygen is very important for our human beings and animals. Yes. The next we will see the sunlight. Okay, so the atmosphere to prevent the ultraviolet rays from the sun. Okay, so these are all important for the atmosphere. Important of the atmosphere. The next we will see the composition of air. Here 78%. So here 78% nitrogen is there. Then next 21% is oxygen. So here you can see nitrogen 78, oxygen 20.9%. Okay, other gases 0.17%, argon and carbon dioxide only 0.03%. This is the composition of air. Okay, now let's see the properties of air. Yes. Properties of air. First, air takes up space. You already learned from the lower classes. Air has weight, air occupies space. Yes, these things we learned from the lower classes. Now we will see some of the experiment. Okay. Air takes up space. Then next property is air has weight, air has pressure, air expands when heated, air can be compressed to lift objects, gravity acts on all forces equally. Oh, okay, these are all properties of air. Only few of the examples only I will explain now. Okay. So this experiment indicates air occupies space and air present everywhere. Okay. Then next we will see the air has weight. Okay, few example only I want to tell you now. Air has weight. So you can take air filled balloon and puncture balloon. So you can see the weight balance downward towards the air filled balloon. Okay, so this example proves air has weight. Now next experiment, air exerts pressure. So you can take the glass with water covered by cord. Okay, so after that you have to invert the glass. So you just hold the cord with the help of your hands. So after that there is the cord stay here because of the air exerts pressure from all sides. Okay, so this experiment, these three experiments, or I gave some few examples for properties of air. Yes children, what we now? Yes. First thing we learn about the atmosphere. So layers of the atmosphere, then composition of air, importance of atmosphere and the properties of air. Okay. Now we will see the next topic, water.